Namaskar, welcome to NG Astrovision. Today I'll be sharing the effects and results of transit of Jupiter in direct motion in Sagittarius sign. As you all know, Jupiter had been retrograde since May 14th, 2020. It's going to change its motion from retrogression to direct motion. Jupiter or any planet when transits in retro motion, we people lack the energy of those planets in our day-to-day life. We feel some delays and denials in attaining the results related to those planets which goes retro in transits. Now as Jupiter is going to be in direct motion in the sign of Sagittarius from 13th September 2020, we shall be receiving blessings of Jupiter in one way or the other. Jupiter is the planet of spirituality, devotion, knowledge, wisdom, our gurus, optimism, and positivity. It signifies education, wealth, marital bliss, progeny, and gains and profits in one's life. All these factors and sectors of life will be blessed by Jupiter as it's going to be in direct motion after a long period of approximately 4 months on 13th September 2020. On November 20, 2020, Jupiter will move to Capricorn sign. So for next 2 months, it's going to be in Sagittarius only. In this video, we'll try to know the effects and benefits that Jupiter can offer to all signs. Before starting, I suggest you to check the fruits of Jupiter's direct transit both with your moon sign as well as your ascendant. In the end or in the ending part, I'll be sharing few remedies to better Jupiter or strengthen Jupiter in your chart. So please do watch till end. Let's begin with sign Aries. For Aries sign people, Jupiter is going to transit in the 9th house, house of luck, and it will be aspecting their ascendant, that is the 1st house, 3rd house, also the 5th house. Here Jupiter will boost your luck. All good results will be attained regarding spirituality, higher education in foreign, long distance travel or pilgrimage. You will feel luck in situations going into your favor. Mars is already transiting in your 1st house, because of which your personality, your performance, your intelligence will rise during this transit. As Mars is going to be retrograde on 10th September 2020, hence it can increase ego and overconfidence in you. If you keep your ego in control, this transit will be very beneficial for you. Relations with siblings will get better. They will gain during this transit. Also, Jupiter throws its 3rd aspect on 5th house, thus giving benefits from children or progeny. Love life can also improve. Now for Taurus sign. In Taurus sign, Jupiter is going to be direct in 8th house, house of suddenness, transformations and long illnesses and obstacles. It's considered as negative house, and Jupiter in 8th house can't be considered good. There can be unexpected obstacles and delays in day-to-day life. Researchers or natives related with occult sciences or any kind of hidden knowledge can benefit from this period of Jupiter direct. Jupiter here is as aspecting 2nd house and also 12th house, so unexpected finances or wealth could be earned. Also the sudden rise in expenses is also seen. You can get any kind of inherited wealth or money from insurance during this span of 2 months. Now for Gemini sign. For Gemini sign, Jupiter is going to be direct in the 7th house. It's going to be auspicious and beneficial for partnerships, be it life partnership or business partnership. Married people will enjoy blissful transit. Relation with friends and friend circle, also the sources of income will improve. Relations with siblings, benefits from creative field are also seen during this transit. Now for Cancer sign. Jupiter will be direct in 6th house of Cancerians, the house of illness, obstacles, debts, enemies, litigations and competitions. You will have to face obstacles, you have to face your enemies or any kind of competitions. But as Jupiter is placed in its own sign over here, you will win every situation and competition. Jupiter here will be aspecting 10th house, 12th house as well as 2nd house. 10th house being aspected by Jupiter will bless natives with name and fame, high status, good opportunities in profession. 2nd house being aspected with Jupiter will bless with good flow of income and finances. But as 12th Lord is also aspected, so there can be heavy expenses too. Now for Leo. Jupiter will be in 5th house of Leo sign natives. 5th house is the house of intelligence, thought process, children, education, also of love affairs. It's also the house of mantra sadhana. Good time for all these significances during this transit. 9th house gets aspect of Jupiter, so benefits from spirituality, devotion, gurus, pilgrimage, higher education and from father can be assumed. Luck will shine in matters of good income flow and benefits from friends. Your personality and performance will get better and you will shine overall. Now for Virgo sign. Here Jupiter sits in 4th house, thus aspecting 8th, 10th and 12th house. Health issues for natives and mother can be assumed as it's not favorable position for Jupiter. Relation with partners, life or business partners will have some clashes. Significance of 4th house, that is home, property, vehicles, luxuries will get boost during this transit. Also expenses will increase, although good recognition is indicated at workplace. Now for Libra sign. For Libra sign natives, Jupiter will be direct in their 3rd house. It's not considered as good position for Jupiter. Jupiter in 3rd house, which is the house of courage, willpower, determination, new initiatives, is not considered good over here. Jupiter is malefic planet for Libra ascendants. More of hard work is required here, as 6th Lord containing Pisces sign ruled by Jupiter, which is the 2nd sign of Jupiter, also gets activated. Illnesses, debts, labor problem, all are on cards. They have to be tackled with extra efforts. Although luck will favor and income flow will be beneficial and on rise. Now for Scorpio sign. Jupiter will be in 2nd house for Scorpions. Jupiter being the significator of 2nd house, it's a good placement over here. Your finances will grow family bonding and family values will improve for sure. As Jupiter aspects 6th house, the native will overcome all sorts of diseases, debts, litigations and competitions if any are there. As 10th house is aspected by Jupiter, native will shine at workplace, will attain appreciation and name at workplace. Take care of health during this transit. Now for Sagittarius. For Sagittarius, Jupiter will be direct in 1st house. Sagittarians will be full of confidence, determination, positive thoughts, clarity of mind. They can be inclined to spirituality during this period, as both 5th and 9th houses of spiritual practices is going to be active. 7th house also is aspected by Jupiter. Married life will be blessed. Natives searching for partners may find one. Take care not to be overconfident and too egoistic during this period. Now for Capricorn. Jupiter will go through their 12th house, house of expenditure and losses. It's good for natives who are looking to travel to foreign lands, although it's not a good placement for Jupiter. Take care of health issues as hospitalization is also indicated during this period. Home comforts can rise and loans can be tackled easily during this transit. Rise in loans is also indicated. Sudden obstacles, sudden inheritance gains, unearned gains can also be indicated. Now for Aquarius. Jupiter will go direct in 11th house, which is the house of gains and fulfillment of desires. This transit of Jupiter is very positive for Aquarians, as blessings of Jupiter will be experienced almost in all areas of life. Flow of income, increase in name and fame, appreciation at workplace are on cards. Relation with siblings, children and married partners will be sky high. Happiness from children, siblings, partners and friends is indicated. Now for Pisces. For Pisces, Jupiter will go direct in their 10th house, which will be aspecting 2nd and 6th houses, thus activating the Artha Trikona for Pisces natives. It's going to be very beneficial and positive transit for Pisces as all the financial channels have been activated. Positive results, rewards, gains, career growth, status at workplace is indicated. 4th house is also aspected, giving benefits in luxuries and mental peace and domestic peace. Health and relations with mother will be very positive. So this was the influence of direct Jupiter on all signs. Now if Jupiter is weak in your chart, is not giving positive results, or even if it is beneficial and you want to make it more beneficial, you can do certain remedies, donations or mantra chanting. To strengthen Jupiter in your chart, one should donate study material or stationery items to children or students. You can offer yellow items such as gram pulse, saffron, turmeric, bananas or yellow sweets in religious places. You can chant mantra of Jupiter daily 108 times. Either mantra you can chant. One is Om Gram Greem Gro Se Guruve Nama or Om Brahm Brahaspate Nama. So this was all from my side. If you like the video, please do subscribe my channel. Till next video, goodbye. God bless you all.